In today's video, I'm going to teach you to make landscape video portrait in CapCut. This is perfect when you've shot something widescreen, but you want it to fit vertical formats like Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. We'll keep it simple, make sure your subject stays centered, and keep as much of your original footage as possible. Start by opening the CapCut app, then bring your clip into a new project. If you're on the home screen, tap New Project and select the video from your gallery. Once it loads onto the timeline, you'll see your clip ready to edit. If you have multiple clips, make sure the one you want to convert is selected so the next adjustments apply to the right footage. Next, tap on your video in the timeline to highlight it, and then tap Crop. The crop tool lets you switch the aspect ratio and reframe the shot. Since we're going vertical, choose the 9:16 ratio. That's the standard portrait size used by most social platforms, and it flips your canvas into a tall frame. You'll see guides on the screen showing exactly what will be visible in the final video. After switching to 9:16, fine-tune the framing. Use your fingers to pinch and zoom to scale the video up or down, and drag to recenter your subject within the tall frame. The goal is to balance the shot. Keep faces near the top third for natural headroom, avoid cutting off important elements, and check both edges for anything vital that might be cropped out. If your original landscape clip has a lot of action, scrub through the timeline and make sure the subject stays inside the vertical frame throughout the moments that matter. If you need more room, zoom out slightly. If you want a tighter, more cinematic look, zoom in, but be mindful not to overcrop and lose quality. Take a moment to review the entire clip within the 9:16 framing. Pay attention to text or graphics that might be near the edges, and ensure there's enough breathing room so nothing feels cramped. If your clip was shaky or off-center, a small scale adjustment can help stabilize the composition visually. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut and import your video. Tap your clip and use the crop tool. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then adjust your video so it looks clean and intentional in portrait. With these quick refinements, your landscape footage will feel native on vertical platforms while still looking polished and professional.